Now we are going into the next features, which is hole wizard. Okay, so in order to create the hole, previously we can do using the extrude cut, right? So to make it easier, SolidWorks have one features what we call as hole wizard. If you go to the features bar, okay, so you will see hole wizard here. You can click on this hole wizard, or you can go to insert, go to the features, and then you can click on the hole wizard. Okay, so in here I'll just click on hole wizard. So you will see several type of hole that being set in here. For example, counter bore, we have countersink, we have the blind hole. Okay, so we have here hole with the tab, meaning that the hole that, and then we can set the thread inside there. And then we also have here tapered tab. We also have the legacy hole. This one also almost like the counter bore, but you can set up all the dimension inside here. And then you can also counter bore slot. You also have countersink slot, meaning the shape on the top is like a slot. And then you have angle for the countersink, and then this one is a straight hole on the counter bore slot. Okay, so and this one is the slot hole. Okay, so for example here, we will try to look into maybe the counter bore first. Just click on counter bore. Okay, so for this one also you can use the standard one. So for example here, ANSI inch, ANSI metric. So in the industry we already have the standard for this type of hole. Okay, so for example here, I choose ANSI metric, and then hex bolt. For example here, type here, they already have the dimension for this one. Okay, so you can just click on this one, and then M5, what is the size, whether it's M5, M6. For example, I put an M10. Okay, so this one you can find it inside the internet about the counter bore. For example, counter bore M10, you will see what are uh, the requirement, what we call the dimension for each type of hole. Okay, so here they have a closed fit or normal fit or loose fit. So this one is dependent on the type of tolerance that we want, whether we want it to be really close, meaning it's very tight, although or it's just normal, or we want it to be a loose one. Okay, so here also we can set on whether you want it to be true all or up to next, meaning that if there is an next surface on this part, you can just click from, let's say you want to create the hole on the top until the surface on the bottom, and then you can just click up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, and offset from surface. Okay, so let's say here is already given here the dimension, because we already set the uh, in here the standard hole specification, so it's automatically created in here. Okay, so for example here I want it to be true all, so click and OK. Okay, you click on the surface that you want to create the hole. Okay, for example this one is on the top part. Okay, I'll just click on here. Okay, let's say you want to create two hole on here, three. You can just click. Okay, so if you want the dimension here, for example this one to be 20. Okay, it will move this one to this one 35. Okay, you can put the position inside here. Okay, I just put randomly. Okay, so because I don't set any dimension. Okay, So once everything is already okay, so you can just click this, and then the hole will be created. Okay, let's see the hole. Okay, you can see the hole is already created. Now let us try the next type of hole. Okay, so for example, we try with what do we want to this countersink. Okay, so this one is flat head screw. They can be oval type screw also, socket countersunk. Okay, so all the specification here can be searched through the internet. It is a standard one that used in the industry. Okay, so for example, I want it to be big. So this one is up till M10 only. Okay, so let's try creating the position. Let's say I want it to be in the center here. Okay, center, then okay. Then you will see the countersink. Okay, so countersink is a little bit different compared to the counter bore. Okay, so counter bore is a straight one. Countersink, it is more into the cone shape top. Okay, so this is the standard one that we use in the industry. Now let us try with the normal hole. If it is a straight hole for the blind one. Okay, so I'm not going to try everything. You can try on your own. Okay, so this one is just to introduce to you the type of the holes and everything. Okay, so for example, I put it here 10. Okay, so when you go to position, click on this space. Okay, we'll try to make it okay, roughly. Yeah, I didn't put the dimension. So you can look here. So the hole is already created. Let's see. Okay, so it's already created the through hole. Okay, so this is how the hole will look like. Okay, so this is a straight hole. Okay, so if we look through it, okay, so it will be like that. Okay,